Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to science class. Today we will start a new chapter, that is chapter 16 of your science book Light. Students, we know that light is a form of energy which plays a very important role in our life, as without it we are not able to do our various tasks. We also know about luminous objects and non-luminous objects. We studied about them in previous classes in class 6th and 7th. So what are luminous objects? Yes, objects that emit light of their own are called luminous objects. Sun, candle, bulb, tube light, etc. are luminous objects. The objects which do not produce or emit light of their own are called non-luminous objects. Book, pen, shoes, moon, bed, etc. are non-luminous objects. Understood? Students, we see luminous objects because the light that they emit enters our eyes. When the light emitted by these objects enters our eyes, we are able to see them. But we also see non-luminous objects like the book, pen, bed, etc. How is it so? Let us understand with the help of an example. Students, suppose you are in a very dark room. There is no source of light. Everywhere there is dark. And you are searching for your science book. Will you be able to search that? No. But when you switch on the bulb, you can spot your science book lying on the table. How did you see the book? Yes, because of the light from the bulb. The light that fell on the book from the bulb was reflected by the book and entered your eyes. Once the light enters your eyes, you are able to see the book. Hope you understood that your eyes alone cannot see the objects. It is the light which helps you to see the objects. Understood? So, an object becomes visible when light emitted or reflected by it reaches our eyes. Got it? Students, in class 7th, you have learnt about reflection of light. You know that when light falls on the surface of an object, the object sends this light back. The process of sending back light rays which fall on the surface of an object is called reflection of light. The reflection of light is studied by using a plane mirror. A plane mirror reflects almost all light which falls on it. This means that a plane mirror changes the direction of light which falls on it. Students, see here 3 boys are standing and one boy has taken torch. One boy has kept mirror in his hand, right? When the light from this torch is coming and striking the surface of this mirror, it is bouncing back. It is changing its direction and bouncing back. This is called reflection of light. Understood? So what is reflection of light? The bouncing back of the light rays from the surface of an object is called reflection of light.